what's up? You already know who it is, cuz Young A.R. the Don about to spit the shit. Young A.R. the Don about to spit the shit. Riding with your bitch, you know I do it. Gotta making music, call it doodle music. She wet as fuck, I beat it up. She call her friends, now the whole clique wanna fuck. You fucking with a youngin', my niggas be gunning. Switching up the beat, you hear them bullets, we be drumming. Y'all niggas don't want the problems, I hit you, yeah, I solve your little niggas on the block tryna use a gun revolver. What you talking about, another fucker? Y'all niggas already know I'm the shit up in this motherfucker. Wide time, north side, what's cracking? I be DTH, niggas shout it, what's happening? If you fuck around with us, we gon' catch a case. All my niggas got them guns, put them in your face. True nigga from the south, nah that ain't me. Representing for the 330 till I die. Riding with your motherfucking bitch, nigga. And yeah, she riding with her bitches, nigga. Yeah, we gon' get them, nigga. And all them trailing niggas riding with me. So if you fuck around, you bout to see a swarm in the street. And we be thugging niggas, sting niggas just like we some beasts. But we see the motherfucker to the death of the clique. And all y'all niggas know what's up. I shout out all your bitches, cause them bitches know what's up. They all tryna fuck, now that's Keisha, Tanya, Rolanda. Got a bitch named Ashley, she be wildin' in a Hummer. Bitch named Tamika, and a bitch named Sarah. Got a bitch named Sierra, a couple. I don't marry none of these hoes, or a couple. I'm a real nigga. Bitches just want that money, I don't heel figure. Fuck Tommy, you niggas know what the drama. And if you fuck around with the clique, you know where you can find me. On the west side, chillin' on the best side. DTH, motherfucker, we the left side. If you fuck around with us, nigga, let's ride. Choppers in the trunk, gunplay, that's fire. Spit it like y'all niggas already know though. If you niggas wanna really talk, I'll leave you lost like you was Frodo. Motherfucker got it to go though. I'm tryna get the go though like a yellow road, Dorothy and Toto, nigga, no homo. Y'all niggas wanna drill it for real, but we can kill it. Got my niggas with me, and we for real, yeah, we will hit you. You already know the squad. Shout out to all my family, cause they stay loving the bar, getting money since a youngin'. Shout out to the CO, Columbus, yeah, Ohio, Eastside, you know we roll. Shout out to Elaine Road and Main Street, nigga. Fuck around with real niggas, we slay heat, nigga. Real niggas doing real things. Got some niggas, got some kilos and pounds off in the trunk, man. And they flip. You know they steady flipping, that's 100 fucking keys if you niggas fucking trippin'. I play these niggas like I play piano. Play these niggas like a PS3 fucking channel. Y'all niggas don't want it, you see the blue bandana. If you don't, walk up on it like what's happening, nigga. It's Crip, nigga, we be thuggin' with it, come get it. Nigga, we don't give a fuck where you live. We'll find you in the crib and leave you leaking on the shit, nigga. Found a nigga on the couch in his house. Left him on the floor, motherfucker, there you go. All you seen was red. I swear the nigga is dead. And if the feds coming for me, yeah, I'm putting to their head. Yeah, that beam something mean. You know we bout to cream. North side in this bitch. Fuck the seed, know what I mean? Y'all niggas know how we get it in. I don't fuck with Auburn ass nigga. Give y'all niggas bitches. Motherfuck these niggas in Avondale. If you niggas want it with me, nigga, I don't tell. No nigga, no beef, nigga. So you can see my fucking face and you see me in the streets, nigga. To them south side niggas that was at the I-Face talking shit, that fucking pistol in your face, nigga. You niggas wanna rock with the kid, hit a nigga in the shit, beat a nigga ass for real, nigga. Young A.R., nigga. Live in the basement. You already know what it is, nigga. Get at me. Bow, bow, bow. Bang, 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 bang. Them fuck ass niggas from last night, that's that bitch shit I don't like, nigga. I'ma see you though, nigga. Song cracking.